Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my afternoon live, guys. And I wanted to jump on here as I'm going through the motions of what a day looks like for me in my shoes now, 2 years later, and I'm on Facebook building my business. And I'm asking you today if you are a Facebook Pro mode user. Are you guys on Facebook Pro mode, meaning that your profile is on professional mode? I'm having so much fun with Facebook Pro mode. Being a professional creator has been nothing short of like a dream come true. And I get to share and collaborate with people that are actually authentic online, and having the ability to recognize proper authentic creators just by a few interactions online, whether they're pro creators or not, whether they know the rules to create, if they're out there like being Spamela Andersons, asking for support, things like that. So I'm having fun in pro mode, and the best thing about it is it's profitable. I was just looking at a picture. I just posted a picture of my mother-in-law for her birthday, not trying to make any money off of it or nothing, but I made money, and I'm like, this is getting fun. This is really getting fun, and I see people out there busting their butts. I mean, busting their butts. And I'm never going to forget where I came from, working out there in the hot sun, 115 degree days, cutting grass. I used to be the one that people were out there watching work going, man, I feel sorry for that guy having that job, being out in the sun trying to bust his butt to make a living, barely probably getting by. People understand, guys, and I'm just growing up. And as I am, it's really getting easier as I gain momentum to just keep the momentum, keep my foot on the gas, do what makes sense, and being a pro creator on Facebook absolutely makes sense. I just talked to one guy, John, and he loves this whole idea, and he's seen my post of me saying something about getting paid on Facebook, and he wants to know how. So people want to know how, right? They want to know how they could do this, whether they're acting like they care, or they're saying, oh, you spend all this time doing it. They're only wishing they could do it too. So guys, go out there, guys, and share effectively, appropriately, following the community guidelines, having fun while you're doing it, being authentic so you don't have to be fake. Like, you see all these people going around and they try so hard to act fake, and at the end of the day you're like, wow, they're fake. And then they have to get up and do it again tomorrow. They have to get up and live that life of being fake. And I'm over here teaching my creators, my team. All of us are a team that are pros on Facebook. We're literally a team. And we're getting paid for commenting on each other's profiles. We're getting paid for loving. I don't like anything on Facebook anymore. If you're a pro creator, make sure you're giving it a reaction, making sure that we're always giving 3 comments or more, doing the things that make sense to let us grow up right there. So yeah, and the cool thing is all these other people are out online doing all these weird funky things, buying all these crazy tools to do this, to do that, and really you have all the tools right here, the authentic tools that Facebook's giving you. And I'm teaching people, and not only teaching people, but I'm learning myself how to use the tools to be super creative right here within the platform, which makes it authentic content that I'm getting paid for. And I'm liking the fact that I'm able to create income more and more and more, guys. income disclaimer, not advising how much money you can or cannot make. Not advising that. Just simply sharing with you guys what I'm doing, starting off of 2025, growing my team up, because people want to know what I'm doing now. I know that I'm become a magnet, guys. I know how to become a magnet. This is not by accident. I've learned this, guys. I learned these skills from growing up, learning from the HBA, guys, and the Simple Freedom Warriors as well, guys. How to SEO, optimize my content, how to create content effectively, how to create content that matters, knowing how to get myself paid without having to actually go and punch a time clock has been nothing more than amazing. And now I'm going on 1 complete year of not having to go punch into a time clock for somebody else to go make a living at a job that I don't really love. I looked in the mirror, guys, and was like, what can I do to be better? How can I better myself? I don't know everything. How can I grow with my team and not talk at them and only me grow, but how can they grow and then push me up? That's the way the cycle works, and I'm excited, guys, to keep growing in 2025. Like what I have at my fingertips and what I'm doing, like I'm so excited to share with you guys. John, I was just sharing with him how to be a professional creator. He activated his stars, and he isn't even on my team. So the whole idea of really being able to help other people to grow up. Like, I don't mean grow up like get old either. I mean grow up. Like being able to create an income online, which is so fun. To be able to create something authentic, which you do that, which I'm doing it by just plugging in to who I am, being myself. And I'm watching all the other people fake around me not having so good of luck. And I'm like, one guy just told him, hey man, brush your teeth. One of my teammates got my email, watched your presentation, and you said some cuss words in it. And I'm like, can you stop doing that, man? Because you're running people off because your breath stinks. So go look in the mirror, be honest with yourself, brush your teeth, guys, so what comes out of your mouth is actually meaningful, and people want to smell what you got cooking, you know? And I don't just mean the recipes that I'm doing in the kitchen. Like, I'm having fun with that, being able to take care of my house. It's not always about trying to go out there and people are out there acting like they're on vacation all the time and trying to create these false facades and images, and they're making all these money. Well, people like me are really growing up and being themselves, and I'm creating income with every which way that I look now, and I'm doing that on social media all over the place, as well as building my business. And I never intended to be a creator, but I guess if you're willing to go out and share and be creative, that the social media platforms literally want to pay you, because there's not enough people out there that know how to be themselves and actually jump through the hoops with the proper skills. Hey Elizabeth, thank you for watching, Elizabeth. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys jumping on. Like I said, I've been around, like I'm going through the course of a day of Monte, Lee, me, hiya, Kung Fu ninjaing up social media, really growing my residual income every day just by showing up here, sharing, being authentic. Facebook, the monetization content program is really getting to be something rewarding, and I found out how much I could make on that in just a single month. It's more than a lot of people's pay in a year, just for a single month, and I'm climbing up very, very fast. So my life is exciting right now, and then I don't have a boss that's telling me what to do, when to wake up. I threw my alarm clock out the window 12 months ago. Literally out the window. Like, I went into work one day and was like, I'm done. And they're like, what are you doing? Like, they didn't understand why I was firing them. Why I had to wave bye to Lake Havasu High School, a job that was paying me at a poverty level. And I worked really, really hard there. And I had a thankless job that I felt like I got kicked in the teeth even when I did a good job, and people laughed at me, made fun of me. People literally laughed at me and made fun of me for trying to start this business. Nobody cheered for me when I started a business. They only cheered for me when I started a job. When I got a job. Guys, I'm cheering for everybody. I'm cheering for everyone, guys. I'm pulling people up. Like, I'm pulling people up that are down, that want to be lifted up, and they're willing to go up. They're like, oh, yeah, I want the help. But I'm not going to beat myself up about people that just aren't willing and then like go and beg them like I see other people do. I'm like, dude, there's a whole world full of people. Why don't you go find the right people? Why don't you allow yourself to do that? Maybe you beat yourself up in life about your past. Maybe you're stuck living in the past and you don't know how to become an authentic professional creator or even share. Like, why don't you just start by just plugging into who you are and start by being yourself and just sharing. Just keeping it simple. Just keeping it simple. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. And everyone's like, I don't want to build a team. You're already on a team. It's called the team of life. Whose team are you on? Are you on your own, doing it on your own with no help like I was? And life started to smell limited and it started to smell like poop, you know? Like I was like, wow, this is really tough. Like when I try to think that I know everything and could just do it all on my own. When I finally started learning from my mentor to plug in and do what makes sense. Like, I'm not going to beat myself up about the past anymore. It's done. It's gone. I'm moving forward, guys. So, in 2025, I hope you guys reach out to me and get started. Get started on my team and show up. Don't shortcut your skills. Skills are the most important thing, guys. And when I've learned how to apply these skills very consistently, I started getting awards. Like I got a benefactor award for feeding like a lot of starving children. And I had a thankless job before. This makes me feel so good. And then I got a couple more awards. It's not about me getting the awards. It's about me being able to help you guys grow up. Because we have social media. And it's such a powerful thing. I mean, it's really, really powerful. And when you learn how to put that on your side and plug into it, this is a whole new way of life, guys, that I'm living here. And I'm not setting an alarm anymore. And I'm not going out in the hot heat this next summer. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm going to be growing right here with you guys. So, for the next few people that jump onto my team, I mean now, today, I'm throwing in my social media. Literally throwing in my social media bonus, which is going to teach you guys how I'm creating. And I already have a group set up. You guys can get in the group. It's a marketing tips and strategy group. But it will only be for the people that are coming from this video. And I know where my traffic comes from. Because I am not giving this out to anybody else. I'm only going to give this to you guys. I can only set the price to 99 cents. And you guys could subscribe to Monte Sandlin's profile on Facebook, where I'm teaching why and how Facebook is paying me for little posts, and it's adding up, adding up, adding up, adding up, adding up. It's really adding up. And I'm sharing with people. One guy was just telling me he's broke from buying traffic. And I'm like, why would you buy traffic when we have social media with thousands and thousands of people and I'm over here getting paid for red hot leads? They're so hot they burn me. That's how hot these leads are. They're so hot. I don't need to warm them up. I've already connected with them through a recipe post or through a collaboration. And they want to join my team. If I tell them, they told me even slightly no, and I pulled back, okay, maybe it's not for you. They're sending me a message, begging me, hey, you know what? I said no, but I didn't mean no. I'm actually interested, because what you say makes sense. It absolutely makes sense. I want on your team now. Like, they're jumping on the rope. Like, I mean, so, guys, if you want to wait and watch me grow, love you. Thank you, followers. Let's collaborate. Let's interact. For the ones that are not ready, it's okay. It's actually okay. I accept that you're not ready. I accept that there's people out there not ready. But it's okay for me to go and find the ones that are. That's a deal, okay, guys? If you're on here now, say deal. Because don't make me feel bad when I can't help you because you won't let me. Don't make me feel bad. I'm not chasing people. There's too many people that want the help now. Spencer, thank you for jumping on my team. Bill, thank you. Elizabeth, thank you. I could just keep on going down this list. Boom, 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 boom. Where does it stop? I don't know. It's not stopping. There's so many people out there looking for the help. They want a way to build a little residual income. They don't care how much it is, a lot of them. A lot of them aren't picky. And the ones that are hungry love to eat. They love to start eating a little bit more. And they're like, yeah, let's go up. So thank you guys joining in the video, guys. I'm inspired myself in this video. I'm lit. I'm lit up. I'm on fire because I love the way that you guys treat me. The way that you guys reward me. The way that I'm able to stay home and throw my alarm clock out the window, all because of you guys. All because of you guys. And I'm excited. Sorry, I was burping a little bit. I'm excited to lift the next few up. I do about a few a day. I mean, I'm getting better and better and better. I'm going to hit my email list too. I'm really, really having fun with collaborating with you guys. Thank you guys for joining me in the video for professional collab. I appreciate all of you pros. If you're not a pro, let's get you there. You need 500 followers. And once you get to 500 followers, we can at least get you accepting, I can't say the word, so we'll call it support. Accepting support from other supporters. So guys, go out there and support the supporters, guys. Because we are the support. Thank you guys joining me in this video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you guys are in a rough spot in life and you're looking for a lift up, hit me up. Thank you.